More than 100,000 people in America are waiting for an organ transplant. Every day, some die before an organ arrives. For decades, medicine has tried to solve that shortage by finding more donors. But now, a different idea is moving into human trials. What if the next life-saving organ does not come from another person? What if it comes from a pig, genetically edited so the human body has a chance to accept it? This is not routine medicine. It is not a cure for the organ shortage. It is experimental, risky, and ethically complicated. But it may mark the beginning of a new era, medicine moving from finding organs to engineering them. The FDA defines xenotransplantation broadly: live cells, tissues, or organs from a non-human animal source, or human material exposed to live non-human animal material, being placed into a human recipient. In practice, the headline today is pig organs, kidneys, and hearts edited so they may be less likely to trigger immediate rejection. Pigs are not being studied because the science is simple. They are being studied because their organs can be similar in size to human organs, because source animals can be bred under controlled conditions, and because modern gene editing gives researchers a way to change specific biological signals. The first problem is recognition. A human immune system is built to notice what does not belong. A pig organ carries molecular signs that can trigger rapid attack. Some edits remove pig signals that human immune systems may attack. Other edits add human genes intended to make the organ more compatible. But edits are not magic. Rejection can still happen. Infection screening still matters. Immune suppression and long-term monitoring still matter. This is why the clinical trial era is so important. ClinicalTrials.gov lists EX-PAND identifier NCT 0687856 as a recruiting Phase 1 and 2 study sponsored by United Therapeutics. It is testing an investigational 10-gene edit xenokidney called eGenesis. United Therapeutics has also announced FDA clearance to proceed with an investigational pig heart trial called eXpress using UHeart. That is a gate opening, not proof that pig hearts are ready for everyone. Early patient cases show both promise and limits. Mass General reported the first genetically edited pig kidney transplant into a living recipient in March 2024, and eGenesis has reported additional expanded access progress. These milestones matter, but a milestone is not the same thing as a proven treatment. Some cases last months. Some organs are removed. Some patients die. The honest story is not miracle or disaster. It is evidence being gathered in real time. The risks are not small. The FDA has long warned that xenotransplantation raises infection and public health questions, including recognized and unrecognized infectious agents. Recipients may need long-term or lifelong monitoring. Doctors must watch organ function, rejection, immune suppression, and infection screening. Society also has to weigh animal welfare, patient consent, cost, access, public trust, and who gets offered experimental options first. The promise is obvious: fewer people waiting, fewer families trapped between dialysis and uncertainty, and maybe a future where organs are designed instead of found. But the pig organ era has not arrived as standard care. It has arrived as a test. If trials show safety and effectiveness, transplant medicine could change from a system limited by donated organs to one partly supported by engineered supply. For now, the honest story is promise under investigation.